Lama Tembe Korea, Kashe Juni, the Kashe Juni, Jerry Loyu, Mabusunga. Yinaya, and the Telabe, and Lama Naropa Chogyam Trungpa Rinpoche. The basic kitchen, that is the dish, Dawan and Dawa gave me. And the Trungpa Putu gave me the Trungpa learn Jushama. Tendency, Loyu Pazimia. So Lama Narobe, Rangla Telopana, and a Yawa Yudevici. Yi Tangwa Yudevici. That tea Junze, so tea Junze. Just take it one, Hashre. Didn't ditch it. Take it one among which Lomo was it. That hanging water. Koran, Jembar Deva Indu. We need you to Toarang somewhere. Soya Nando and drinking water, Jembar Deva Indu. That's a good. The day being due. That Narube Namtala Samdami, Tane, Narube and University, Koa Leondu, Narube University Zadi, University Zidang University Mahimba, the music, the DJ, Sigi, Lamdoma Gubage, Tangi Guba, Parma, Tinejin, Tidijin March one day, and the University of the Digi, the Nage one day, the Chilo with Chogyam Trungpa Rinpoche, the Digi, you said, that can be a 20 year, soon there, the long jet, the did that Chimasa, Mamboja, Pen Tonsia, the Digi that Chua may reduce it as Chimbology.
Ani namala towing on the train no triba.
Nine. Living.
So, since this university was named after Naropa, who we have pictured with us on the wall, as His Holiness noticed, His Holiness said, I think it would be good for me to say a little bit about Naropa and the significance of Naropa's example to the endeavors of this university. As you know, Naropa studied with his primary guru, Tilopa, and Tilopa introduced Naropa to the true nature of reality, that is Mahamudra. Through relying on Tilopa, Naropa discovered this reality and became a great siddha, or accomplished one. Now, there are a lot of stories about how Naropa relied on Tilopa by going through the 12 major hardships and the 12 minor hardships and so forth. But the main feature of the history of Naropa's time with Tilopa is how he gained the realization of Mahamudra. And he gained this realization not by having Tilopa read texts to him and explain line after line of Mahamudra texts for months and months and months, but rather Tilopa was, through the closeness of their heart connection, able to introduce Naropa very directly to the reality of Mahamudra. This was due to the closeness of their heart connection and also the lucid mind of faith that Naropa had for Tilopa. So we can say a lot of words about what Naropa went through with Tilopa, but it's really the heart meaning that was nakedly transmitted to Naropa. The living experience that Naropa had, that is the key thing. Therefore, this university is blessed by the example of Naropa, which definitely means that this is no ordinary university. It is a special place that carries not just a lineage of education and information, but a lineage of living the meaning of the teachings. So in this way, Naropa is like a great ocean of deathless nectar that receives all of these streams of blessings. And in this way, all of the students at Naropa can enjoy and partake of this great ocean of nectar. And this will be of great benefit for the people who do this now and for many generations to come.